Mastering the phrase, plant a rose bush. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a beautiful, garden-themed phrase, plant a rose bush. Not only will we explore its literal meaning, but we'll also unfold the cultural and metaphorical layers this phrase carries. So, grab your gardening gloves, and let's get started. At first glance, plant a rose bush might seem straightforward. It involves the physical act of placing a rose bush into the ground, ensuring it's well situated to grow and bloom. This process includes choosing a sunny spot, digging a hole, and nurturing the plant with water and care. Roses aren't just flowers, they're symbols loaded with meaning. Across cultures, roses symbolize love, beauty, and often, a sense of mystery. In literature and poetry, planting a rosebush can represent the beginning of a new relationship or a new phase in life, signifying hope and beauty. In conversation, planting a rosebush can go beyond gardening. It might mean starting a new project, nurturing a relationship, or investing in something that will bloom with time. It's about patience, care, and the beauty of watching something grow. You might hear, plant a rosebush, in various contexts. Personal growth, encouraging someone to invest in their self-improvement. Business and projects, referring to the start of a new, promising venture. Relationships and friendships, symbolizing the nurturing and growth of bonds between people. Plant a rosebush is a phrase rich with literal and metaphorical meaning. Whether you're discussing gardening, personal projects, or relationships, this phrase adds a layer of beauty and depth to the conversation. We hope this exploration has added a new bloom to your language garden. Until next time, happy learning!